Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the green screen overlay in CapCut. So in this video, I'm already imported a video to my CapCut and I want to add a green screen overlay to insert a subscribe and share button onto my videos here. So I'm going to just click on overlay and add the green screen overlay first. You can see the green screen overlay that I added has a subscribe, like and share button. So to use it, you can just, after you import, just fit the size into the one you want, and to get it off the green screen you can just go to the cutout menu at the bottom and use the chroma key, drag the chroma key color picker to the green screen and adjust the intensity and also the shadow like this. Okay, you can see now the green screen overlay is gone, the green screen, and after that here is the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.